Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add second account on TikTok. So for this you can just open the TikTok app on this Android device or iOS. So when it's TikTok open, you will just go in your profile icon. So when you go in your profile icon, you will see by in your username on the top, you will see the arrow. So you will just have to click it, and here is the second option is add account. So if you want to add second account, you will just write the number with sign up, or you can just write email, and you can just continue with Facebook and Google. So you will just choose one of these. You can just add a second account on TikTok easily, include the previous one also. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.